Hey look, battery and magnet. What if... Hey, check out this bowl. Kinda looks like my bowl. See this cool dinosaur that I got really cheap at Kmart? Yeah, look what it's trying to tell you. Look. It says you should subscribe. Yes, you should subscribe. Because it's eating the subscribe. Excuse me, what the actual Now, 2 unboxings. First up, we got this cooler that's already installed into my car PC, which is why it's not here. Long, not good for unboxing. Anyways, let's just for art. Stop. You got the AMD Ryzen 7 5700 series processor. I'll only be opening this when I actually start building the computer. Now, yes, we have this new unmentioned power supply, 750 watts. It's got all you need: ATX, PCIe, SATA. But that's the wrong way. Yeah. Shout out. No, yes, it's MSI. Choose MSI. I don't know. We are making this video. Being Union regulatory notices. Oh, what? I don't do laws. I don't pay taxes yet. That's like Portuguese or something. That's actual tough guy. This is the thing that you connect into the wall. And these are all the cables that you plug into the graphic card and the motherboard and the other stuff. Oh shit. Yes, there's more things there. Nut for, I don't know. That's it. More clothes. There. Most importantly, we have the motherboard. Now, I chose this motherboard because it was cheap, and with the right parts and modifications, you could create a computer that is good for running the latest applications at a reasonable performance. And these are the antennas, the thing that touches, which makes CPU SATA connectors, more stuff. Okay, don't know how to read. Actual motherboard. Okay. Going to this. That's not being careful. Slowly, hopefully take this out to show you all the stuff. Right, deck. I have a seat behind this cover. Okay, so CPU socket is here. Memory, the 4 DIMMs. Expansion slot, you got I think this is the PCIe 4, the free and the tiny free. Done. Then graphics. Wait, no, actually supports graphics output, HDMI, somewhere probably here that I cannot see. That's not centered. Let me restart that. So this is the socket for the CPU. These are the 4 DIMMs. These two are the X16 expansion slots. It's the X1. We have here is the 4 USB 3.0s at the front and the 2 at the back. Those 4 3.0 USBs and these 2 2.0 USBs. This is the back, so they're on the back, and the ones that are on front are not visible. But the 3.0 is this one, and this one, and the 2.0 is this one, and it was this one. No, I want that one. Yeah, I forgot. Anyways, and that is audio. The audio thing works LAN and your WLAN. Here, antennas, stick them in there. Also this. These connect here in the SATAs. And form factor, yes. Okay, that's it. Time to put it back. Because, yes. Don't remember how that went. Yay. Be very careful not to break anything, because that would be expensive and traumatizing and depressing and painful, emotionally damaging. I hope I am doing this right. Which way does it go? This way. I think. Here you go, please. Is that fitting? That's not really fitting. Okay, keep it on. Try our way. Okay, that out like that. Majority video is probably not centered, which is crap. Why did I bang it? What am I doing? I'm selling a nut. Those are somewhere. This one's from here. Oh, forgot to put the MSI ones back. Oh well. Are you fitting? Yes. Where the hell did this come from? That, okay, I'll just pack that up later. Well, and finally we have the GPU, which is part of those extra parts and configurations for motherboard to be there. Cannot push this further. Right in. Okay, now you open it by opening it somehow. One day, oh, it's only one side. Oh well. Okay, put this that way. Let's see the last video of the day. Oh yes, very pretty. Oh, I banged that. Oh, please open. Wow. Let's get a short one of these. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's like this. Yes. Thank you for choosing Kino 3D. I don't know what that is. Oh, then you take that out, and wow. I really don't want to open this further, please. Okay, don't do that. It's open there. Right, here it is. Yeah, you can see it. Right? Not very clear because of the plastic, but it's that's, oh shit. Stop. Go in. Go in. I'm killing you. Please. Okay. Go in, go in, go in. Doing this off camera. Oh, by the way, did you know that this graphic card and this RAM can be overclocked to reach DDR4 speeds? Yeah, you can do that. Anyways, after this, it will be the time to start building the computer with my dad. And no. See you there.